How to turn on vibrate mode on iPhone. If you only want your iPhone to vibrate without ringing out each time you have an incoming call and you don't want to put your iPhone on silent, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on vibration mode or vibrate mode on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to sounds and haptics and then click on it. Now, once you click on sounds and haptics, to turn on vibration mode on your iPhone, all you just need to do is this. Go ahead and then click on ringtone. Under the ringtone, come here and click on haptics. Then select your vibration here. So once you click on each of these, you should see your iPhone vibrating. Once you selected that, hit the back button. Then you can see haptics is set to rapid, right? That is the vibration mode. Now, to only make your iPhone vibrate without ringing each time you have an incoming call, just go ahead, reduce ringtone and alert. And then disable change with buttons. Now, once you disable change with buttons, make sure haptics is set to always. You see that? So set haptics to always, and then you're good to go. So when next you have an incoming call, your iPhone is not going to ring out and it's only going to vibrate without putting the phone on silent. So if you come back to ringtone, you should see the haptics set to this. So and your phone is not going to ring out when you have an incoming call on the device. So that is basically how to turn on vibrate mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.